Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Lyft to Cash App step by step. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first guys, you need to make sure your Lyft driver account is active and that you're set up direct deposit to your bank account, okay? And similarly ensure that you have a Cash App account ready with the linked bank account, right? Now, what we're going to be doing guys is we're going to be transferring earnings from Lyft to our bank account. Okay, so you want to transfer the earnings from our Lyft to a linked bank account. So just open the Lyft driver app and log into your account, and then go to the earnings or payment history section and just tap on the cash out button. You just want to confirm your linked bank account and proceed to transfer your earnings. And depending on the bank guys, this process can take, you know, up to 2 business days. And once you have done that, guys, once you have cashed out, you want to add funds from, to Cash App from your bank. So open up Cash App and tap on the banking tab, the bank icon at the bottom left, and just tap add cash and enter the amount you transferred from Lyft. And then just select your linked bank account as the funding source. So you want to confirm the transaction and the funds will basically appear in your Cash App balance, okay? And then of course, guys, if you need, you can just use Cash App. So once the funds are in your Cash App balance, you can send them to others. You can make purchases or even withdraw to another account. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel so you get notified of the next video. Make sure you also press that bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.